All you'll need is a Torx T20 screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and some work gloves and an old towel. Before any repairs, always unplug your appliance from the mains. If your dishwasher is an integrated model, pause the video and follow these steps to gain access if needed. To gain access to the heat exchanger outlet valve, the left side panel needs to be removed. It's super easy. Start by removing the Torx T20 screw found on the front. The side panel can then be lifted away and placed to one side. The outlet valve is found here, just by the door hinge. We're demonstrating this on a dry machine, but your dishwasher's heat exchanger will likely be full of water, which needs to be drained. The plastic cover by the hinge may need to be unclipped to make access a little easier. Pop a pair of work gloves on, as there can be some sharp plastic or metal in this area. With a small flathead screwdriver, unclip the electrical connector by the tab at the bottom. Place a towel underneath the outlet valve. The outlet valve needs to be slightly loosened to allow air to flow in and through the S-bend. Rotate up and slightly remove. This then starts the draining process on the heat exchanger. You'll begin to see the heat exchanger start to drain. It can take up to 30 seconds, so don't worry if it's going slow. Unpackage your new outlet valve and make sure the rubber O-ring is connected as shown. The heat exchanger outlet valve has a couple of tabs on each side. These insert into the slots shown here and click into place. Place the new outlet valve into the heat exchanger and focus on clicking it into the rear slots first. Gently push the exchange valve towards the dishwasher and rotate it down or anti-clockwise, making sure the back tabs click into place. Now to connect the front ones, push the outlet valve forward and they'll also click into place. To test it's fully secured, try pulling it out. Unless it's rotated up, the new outlet valve won't be able to be removed. Clip the electrical connector in place. Reattach the plastic cover by the hinge if it was removed earlier. Reattach the side panel by lining up the two slots with the two small plastic tabs on the bottom of the dishwasher. Line these up and then pull the panel up to connect it in place. Rescrew the front Torx T20 screw back in place. And that's it. Your new dishwasher heat exchanger outlet valve is all set to go.